Hello viewers, today we are going to replace the LCD of Dell Latitude 5300. Most of the technicians have some difficulties regarding this specific type of LCD. Sometimes they unconsciously break or damage the display. So today we are going to show how to replace the LCD of Dell Latitude 5300 properly. Let's get started. We are going to replace the LCD by using this kind of tools. So let's get started. Please always use ESD mats and ESD wristband for your security, for your safety. Now we are going to open the back panel screws. There are almost 8 screws on the back. After removing the screw, now we are going to use the opener to open the back part of the laptop. Please do not forget to remove the battery cable whenever you are repairing a laptop. So we are going to disconnect the battery cable first. After that, we have to disconnect the WLAN connectors. And then we are disconnecting the LCD cable connected to the motherboard. We have disconnected LCD cable along with the CIR, so you can see. Now we have to remove the screws from the both of the hinges. There are 2 to 4 screws, you can see. Now you are going to rotate the main body 90-degree angle so that we can disconnect the display from the main body. So now the best part, we are going to remove the LCD. So at first we are removing the front bezel from outside. So basically we are using a opener tool to remove the front bezel. Never use from this end. We always trying to remove the front bezel from upper end. Okay. So that's the correct procedure to remove the LCD for Latitude 5300 model. Now you can easily pull the front bezel and disconnect it from the display. Yes, like this. Now please note, we have to remove several screws there on the both side to release the display. Be very careful when you are working with this. Now we are going to open the on left side. Notice carefully how to remove it. Okay. Now the most critical part. You have to slightly push and slide it down. Slide by using both of your fingers, both of your hands. Slide down to release the LCD panel like this. Now you have to slightly open up the bottom side and slide it down to release the display. And finally, you have to disconnect the LCD cable. And that's all you need to do to replace a Latitude 5300 LCD panel. So that's our new replacement display. We are going to assemble it. First of all, we need to connect the LCD cable on the back. Carefully place the LCD and slightly slide up to its proper position. Yes, see the alignment? So it fits well. Yes. Now we are going to lock the hinges with several screws. We're connecting the LCD cable to the motherboard and also the CIR cable. Now you have to tighten the screws, hinge lock with the screws. Don't forget to use this safety cap on your LCD cable. At this moment, we are connecting our W lane with two connectors, black and white. Finally fixed it with the screw properly. You have to channel the cables a proper way, and at last connect the battery cable to the motherboard. Finally, we are going to place the back part with 8 screws out there. That's all you need to replace the Latitude 5300 model LCD properly. So, to avoid any kind of damage to your LCD, please follow this procedure properly. Thanks for today. We'll catch up in another video.